Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Are you tired of notifying your team manually whenever a new lead is generated in your business? Then this video is definitely for you, because in this video you will learn how you can instantly notify your team on Google Chat when a new lead is generated or arrived. Okay? So now I am an owner of a business and I promote my business using Facebook lead ads, and I receive multiple leads every single day. Now notifying about every single lead manually is a very time consuming part. So to solve the problem, I built a connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Chat in such a way that whenever a new lead is received through Facebook lead ads campaign, automatically towards my team, a notification is forwarded as a message on Google Chat space. So now if you want to learn the entire process of how you can create this connection for yourself, for that I am going to take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So first of all, let me show you how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. What I will do is I will generate a test Facebook lead right now. And for generating a Facebook lead, a test lead, what you need to do is you need to open Meta's lead ads testing tool. Using this tool, you can generate the test lead for yourself. Okay. Now for generating this lead, what you need to do is you have to select the page and select the form using which you're collecting your leads data and click on this preview form button right here. After that, it is asking for the leads details. First is first name. For the first name, let's suppose I'm going to write it as best. For the last name, I will write over here as account. Okay. For the email, I will write it as bestaccount@pabblytudes.com. After that, it is asking for the phone number, for which I will enter a dummy mobile number right here and then click on this continue button and submit button to generate a test lead. Now as over here it says thanks are all set, that means the test lead is generated. Now I will open my Google Chat space now. And in my Google Chat space, you can see I've received the notification on my group as new Facebook lead received. Name is best account. This was the phone number. Email is bestaccount@pabblytudes.com. Please follow up with the lead as soon as possible. Okay. So this is how you can notify your team on Google Chat space whenever a new lead is generated in your business. Now for creating the connection between these two applications, I've used this amazing software, that is Pabbly Connect, with the help of which you can build the connection between multiple applications without need of any coding and programming skills. Simply on a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. You can see Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Before we create this amazing automation, I want to talk about Pabbly Community. Now Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. Over here, you can ask questions, share feedbacks and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly Community today itself. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay. Now over here on Pabbly Connect's landing page, you will have two options. If you're a new user, that means you do not have an account with us, directly sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month to explore more features of Pabbly Connect. But if you're an existing user, just like I am, directly sign into your Pabbly Connect account. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section where you will see all the applications that Pabbly provides. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on this Access Now button. And then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now to create a new automation, a new connection, for that simply go towards this Create Workflow button right here. After coming to Create Workflow button, firstly we have to select a workflow type. If you want your workflow to be more modern, faster and flexible, select the new beta method version. But if you want your workflow to have more stable and familiar approach, select this classic version. I'm going to create this workflow using the new beta method version right now. Firstly, we have to rename our workflow. So for the name over here, I'm going to give it as instantly notify your team on Google Chat when a new lead arrives. Okay, so this is the workflow name. For the folder, these are the folders from which I'm going to select workflows folder. You can create your own folder from this plus button. Then click on this create button and the workflow is going to be created. Inside Pabbly Connect workflows, there are two major steps, that is the principle of this entire automation: trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands, action follows all the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action. Firstly, we have to select our trigger application, for which I will select over here as Facebook lead ads. Event is going to be new lead instant. Then click on this connect button. And over here, if you want, you can select the existing connection. I will create a new one. For that, click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Then over here, this is my account in the name of Jessie. So I'm going to continue with this account, and simply the connection is created between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. It was super easy because I've already logged into my Facebook page on a new tab. That's why making the connection is super easy. For the page, I've created a page in the name of Digital Dynamics, with the help of which I am running all my ads. So for the page, I will select over here as Digital Dynamics. For the form, next I have created a form in the name of new lead ads form. So I'm going to select that form from here. That is helping me to collect my leads data. Now I want the simple response. So I'm going to toggle this button on and click on this save and send test request button. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether this connection is successfully created or not, what I will do is I will generate another test lead using again Meta's lead ads testing tool. Now using this tool, per form you can generate only one lead, and as for the test, I've already generated a lead, so I will delete the existing lead from here and then simply refresh this page from here. Okay, it says a lead has been deleted. I will refresh the page. Okay, now after refreshing, we have to again select the page and the lead gen form. So now for the page, I will select over here again, that is Digital Dynamics, using which I am promoting my ads, and for the form, new lead ads form. Then click on this preview form button right here. Now after clicking on this, firstly it is asking for the first name, last name, email. I'm going to fill in all the details right here. So over here, first name is demo, last name is lead, email is demo661@pabblytudes.com, and this is the dummy phone number. Click on this continue button and on the submit button right here, and automatically it will say thanks, you're all set, your lead has been generated successfully. I will go back to my workflow and scroll down and wait for a few seconds for the response to come, and in front of you the response has been captured. First name is demo, last name is lead, email is demo661@pabblytudes.com with this phone number. Okay, so as now the response has been captured in my trigger, Facebook lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect. Let's move on to our next step, sending notification for this lead on my Google Chat space. For that, simply add an action step, in which for the action application, select over here as Google Chats Hangout. An event is going to be create message and click on this connect button. Then we have to provide the chat webhook URL and the message that we want to send. For the chat webhook URL, go towards this hyperlink in the help desk, where you will find the written steps of how you can have your own chat webhook URL. In this video, I will tell you how you have to have the chat webhook URL. Simply open the space that you have. After coming to the space, over here the name of the space is written. Go to it and click on apps and integration section and go towards the webhook. Okay. Now in the webhook, click on this add webhook button. We have to name our webhook. For the name of the webhook, let's suppose I'm going to write it as new lead received. Okay, so this is the name. For the avatar URL, in the help desk, you will find the link of the avatar URL. Simply copy this link from here and just paste it over here in the avatar URL field and click on the save button. You can see a webhook URL is added. Click on three dots and copy the link from here, and this is the chat webhook URL. Okay. After adding that, it is asking for the message. Now for the message over here, I will write it as, over here the message is new Facebook lead received, first name, last name, phone number, email. Please follow up with the lead as soon as possible. So this is the notification I want to send. Now over here, we have to enter the data of the lead's details. Now for that, I'm going to map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Select the field, previous step is going to appear, click on it. First name is last name of my lead. First name and last name of my lead is here. So I'm going to select the data of the first name and the last name from my previous response. In the similar manner, I'm going to select the data of the phone number as well as the email address from my previous response over here. Okay. So now as I've selected the data from my previous response, this data right here on the field has been mapped. And as I've mapped all the data, you can see the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step of the new lead, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. Click on the save and send test request button. Over here, if you have received this space and you can see the name and text, all this is a positive response. Over here, open your Google Chat space. I'm going to open my space. So I've received this response in which I've received the name, thread name. You can see I've received all the details. This is a positive response. And yes, on my space, you can see I've received the notification of the new lead generated, the same lead, demo lead, the phone number, as well as the address as demo661@pabblytudes.com. So now as I've received this notification successfully, this means the connection between these two applications has now been successfully created with the help of Pabbly Connect. that too without need of any coding and programming skills. Now, whenever you will receive a new lead in your business, towards our team, automatically a notification is going to be forwarded in Google Chat space. Not just in Google Chat space. You can send this notification on Slack, Microsoft Teams, and other things like WhatsApp, SMS. You can do all of that, and if you want to learn how you can do that, you can check out our YouTube channel. We have created many amazing tutorials over there, and you can automate your business, okay? Now, if you want to use this workflow link as a reference in your business, you will find the link of this workflow in the description section. Go, it's a shareable link and use it, okay? If you have any other questions or doubts, you can comment down below and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.